Welcome back. Today's topic is how to read biology question paper effectively in 15 minutes at board exam. How to read the biology question paper in 15 minutes very effectively so that you will ace the exam without any doubt. So, do you want to know it? So, please watch the video till the end and you don't miss the bonus tip which I'll be giving at the end of the video. Okay. So, you might ask me, how ma'am in 15 minutes you will ace the exam? Correctly, isn't it? So, you know the biology question paper pattern, you have 4 parts, isn't it? Part A, Part B, Part C, Part D. So, be wise enough. So, Part A, you have 1 and second main, okay? So, which you don't have any choice. Anyhow, you have to answer all the questions. So, no need to read the questions of Part A at the beginning. Go for the first 3 minutes to choose the part B questions. In part B, you have to choose 5 questions. Okay. The next 3 minutes, you have to choose the part C questions, that is having 3 marks. So, there also you have to choose 5 questions. So, of your 15 minutes, 6 minutes are gone. Next 5 minutes, you have to give part D. So, the part D, you have to choose 5 questions. In that part D, 5th main you have to choose 3 questions, and in part D 6th main you have to choose 2 questions. It should not take much longer than 5 minutes. So your 5 plus 6, that is 11 minutes is gone. Next 4 minutes you are left out in your initial 15 minutes, isn't it? So what should be done in this 4 minutes? Yes, what you have to do is you have to start answering the questions mentally for the part A first main. So you have the question and you have 4 alternatives in the question paper itself. Only thing is you have to choose the option from the question paper. And in part A second main also you have only 5 questions, isn't it? You have the choice also given in the question paper itself. So if you start reading quickly, so you will be utilizing your complete 15 minutes to pick the question, choose the question correctly, and you will ace the examination. The bonus tip here is don't skip any question. Read all the questions in the question paper so that you don't miss your favorite and easy questions in your question paper. I hope this tips and tricks is useful for you. You will make a complete utilization of the first 15 minutes of your board examination to score 70 on 70 in biology board examination of 2nd PUC. Okay, this is very crucial for you NEET aspirants, guys. You have to score 70 on 70 so that your NEET rank will be at the top. I hope this video was useful for you. Please hit the like button if you like this video and share this content with your NEET aspirant friends, your family members who are dreaming to score the good marks in biology examination. And those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please do subscribe. It's free. And if you subscribe and motivate me with your subscription, it will be helpful for me as well to do the more beneficial videos for you. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. And how was this video? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I see you next time.